we were able to finish on time. Even though we had started behind schedule, we were able to finish on time. It allows us to focus on other things, knowing that it'll be done right when it comes out, and it's going to not only be done correctly, but it's going to allow us to use our time in other ways. Just install that quickly and correctly.
And like I said, it goes so much faster than the regular install that it's definitely helpful to the pace of the job. And it just went in a lot faster, so we'd be waiting for more walls and more ceiling to go in or that kind of thing.
I noticed a big difference, and actually I had the same crew on the job right before this one started, so we did a nice transition, and that one was not prefabbed, and they pretty much scrambled right up to the end of the project, getting everything done. More or less, you know, if you take out the different changes that the client wanted, but compared with this, when the prefab came out, I mean, they were in within a day or so, which they were actually putting pressure on my framers and rockers to keep on going, which is very unusual, so it was a nice benefit.
When I first was introduced to everything with Bill and Mike, they actually showed me the designs and the boxes. They come with hangers and I was thinking to myself, wow, that's a lot of work that I won't have to do. Yeah, I believe we got it done, and we did everything on schedule, and this was an accelerated schedule project. I mean, less than a year from breaking ground to move-in. So, yeah, I think it definitely helped me out, and I had to have fewer people out here.
So, like I said, at the peak was 4 electricians working on just power and lighting. I probably would have needed at least 6, probably 8. A couple of the biggest benefits are Mike took the time and detailed everything out. So everything said bring this from point A to point B to point C to point D. Everything came out on a map that was on every box, plus given to me, plus in the box, that you can give it to somebody and they can just run with it. They're not coming up to me asking me, where does this one go, where should I mount that box? Everything was pre-thought out and obviously prefabricated, so everything just kind of went together like a giant erector set with instructions on how to do it. And the other big benefit was just the time it took to trim out a job. Instead of needing to go and squat near every single receptacle, pull out the makeup, land the plug. Yeah, it only takes a couple of minutes per, but a couple of minutes per times 300. You're definitely saving time. You just pop off the metal plate, pop on the plastic plate, and you're done.
On that project, there were approximately 80 small offices, each with plugs, switches, data. It was a matter of speed. The project time was kind of crunched, so we were looking at a fast way to do the project. Things came out in a timely manner. I'd get a truckload of goods. We were able to put it up quick. Next thing I know, the next truckload came, so the schedule was kept. Things went in easy. I didn't have to go back and troubleshoot anything. So again, we pushed the job, so the moment the framers had walls up, we had plugs on, which meant, yeah, the sheetrockers can sheetrock and everybody else can pick up faster behind us. Instead of having a couple guys roughing walls, I was able to fly through that myself. Instead of having a couple guys come through and put plugs on, it was just trim plates. It does save a lot of time, a lot of manpower.